This is a follow-up video for Mag Storage Solutions. A few days ago, I did a tabletop review on this. The adhesive said it had to set 72 hours before you could load it up, and I'll let it set a little more than that. But I want everyone to see all these mags are fully loaded. They even have a couple boxes of ammo down here. Speed loader, speed strips. Got my little Beretta mags down here and my Ruger LCP mags here. You can see you got a wide assortment of configurations you can do on this. Go to his website, pick out the products you like. Go to his Facebook page and follow him and throw a couple of likes in there. Don't forget there's a Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Share this channel with all your friends. Hit the notification bell, the like button. Till next time, have a good day.